Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to pre-order Grand Theft Auto 6. The day is finally here. Now you're able to purchase the game, and in this video I'm going to exactly show you how to do that. What you're going to do is you're going to head over to the PlayStation Store, and chances are you're going to see the pre-order Grand Theft Auto 6 menu just right there, the main page of GTA 6. Just in case if you don't see it, what you're going to do, you're going to press X on the PlayStation Store icon and it's gonna open it up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the search bar and you're going to manually type in GTA 6 and you're going to hit R2, which is done. And then you will be greeted with this new page where you have to select Grand Theft Auto 6 again. And now in this one, what you're going to do, you will be able to see the price tag and the edition of the game. For me it shows up as Ultimate Edition. For you it can show up as the Standard Edition, but I'm pretty sure it will show up as Ultimate Edition for you as well. Now if you want to purchase the Ultimate Edition, you can just simply go ahead and click on the $9.99, or it could be any other currency, depends on your region, and then you will just simply hit confirm purchase. And once you will do that, the game will be added to your library, just like I'm doing right now. And once you do that, as you can see, it says thank you, we have emailed you. Now you have to press continue. Now say if you want to purchase the Standard Edition or the Ultimate Edition, what you're going to do, you're gonna go to the three dots besides the wish list option, and you will simply select Standard Edition. And from there you were going to purchase the game as the same way I did purchase the Ultimate Edition. Guys, this is it for the video. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy Grand Theft Auto 6. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.